Hello everyone, my name is Anthony. In today's video, I shall be showing you how to change photo background. So I shall be using my own image to transform the background from this to this. So if you want to know how I did this, pay attention and let me take you through the process how I made this. But before we go on, please do us a favor and subscribe to my channel, like this video and share to your loved ones who are also into Photoshop. So here we start. So the first thing to do here is to select layer 1, then come to select, then click subject, then the subject will be selected. It's loading. So the subject has been selected, and what you do here is to press Ctrl C or Command C, then again you press Ctrl V or Command V to copy the objects you just selected like this. So this is what we have selected. Now the next thing here we'll do is that we come and create a layer here which is going to be the solid color adjustment. Let's see, solid color layer. So I'm going to use this color for my background. So I'm going to use one of these colors for my background. So I'm going to use this. Now bring it in between the subject and the other layer. So I've seen that the color does not match my image, so I'll have to adjust the image a little. So I'll adjust the image like this. I think this color is nice, so I prefer this color. I'll click OK. So if you want, you can decide to maintain this, or you can come to this side and click Ctrl I. Ctrl I. Then you come and hide this layer. You are hiding this layer. If you also want to maintain it, you can still maintain it, but you have to select the color field layer. So we'll be using this color to paint our background here. So I'm going to paint my background. Before I do that, I'll have to come and select the brush tool. I'm using this. Okay, so I'm using the brush tool. Then I'll have to color my background small. Okay, I want it this way. So I'll use this to paint the background. So this coloring only affects the layer 1. Okay, so I'll maintain this. I can decide to decrease the opacity to at least 80 or 90. So I think 80 will be okay. So this is what I have done. So the next thing we do here is to get a design that we'll be using for our background. So I have a lot of backgrounds, designs, background which I have on my desktop. So you can decide to go and download it, or you can also use the link below to download any of this background for yourself. So I'm going to use one of the designs here. So I'll be using the rectangle tool to pick one of the designs here. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to select this design. Okay, so I have this here. Then I'll press on my keyboard Ctrl copy. I'll come to the main work, then press Ctrl V. Then I'll press OK. So now I have it here. I have it here. This is what I have. So before you be able to work on it, you have to pick that layer, then you press Ctrl T. then you now open it up. Okay, so now you have it here. So what you do here is that you hide this layer, then you select the layer 3, who you just copy it and paste, then you press Ctrl T to be able to work on that layer. So I can extend it like this, and this is the image that we are going to use for our diagram. So I'm going to do it this way. Now I can now go and then turn on the visibility of this image. So I'm going to use this diagram for this image, but I think I have to continue working on the layer 3. So Control T to be able to edit or work on the layer. Then you have this. Okay. Okay, so now this is what I want. So I press the mark here, or just press enter on my keyboard. Enter on my keyboard. Then I'll right click and I come to convert smart, convert, sorry, where is this? Convert smart objects. So convert smart objects. So we have it there. Whenever you come and select the convert to smart objects, the next thing you do is to come and change the normal to the screen. So I have it here. So this is how it is. Then I would like to modify it a little. So I come and select filter, and I come to blur, and I come to Gaussian blur. So this one I want to make it a little blur, so I can take it at least 30 to 40. Okay, I'm going to use this. And again, if in case you want to still adjust that Gaussian blur, you can still come to this side, then you still adjust it, so that in case you want it to be clear, you going 24, 20, 22 or 23. So I want it this way. Okay, so let me show you how you add color to your background on that particular object that we just added to this image. So you come to this side and click, right click, and come to saturation. Okay, so this one you'll be able to adjust or change the colors of the background, where the whites can be changed to different color or can be highlighted. So before you do that, you have to come to this side and click this adjustment effects. Okay, now when you click that, then to turn on the colorize, then you'll be able to now adjust this. Okay, you have it there. So this is how it works. You can also bring it back this way to see how it is. If you don't want, you can adjust this one and see how it is. So I think this one will be perfect, because let's see, let me off this and see. So let me off this one and see. You see how it is. Okay, so since it's on, we still adjust it to fit our personal desire of our background. So this way, I'm not getting a default color for this. Okay, I think this one is okay. Now rule 6. Then I think it's not okay for me, so I have to come back again. So if you do this and you see that the background is not what you want, what you do here is to come and double click this layer at this side like this, so that you'll be able to readjust it again. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to readjust this. Okay. Okay, so this will be okay. I'll close this tab. And this is how we add designs to our backgrounds without going through a lot of stress. So please, if you want to learn more about Photoshop, do us a favor and subscribe to this channel. Let us know your opinion about this method. If you think this video is helpful to you, please do us a favor and like and then share this video to your loved ones who are also willing to learn more about Photoshop. So I'll bring in more tutorials on Adobe Photoshop about how to work on images, background, and skin retouching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.